Friends, here comes an interesting question for you. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing, that means interchanging the digits, reversing or interchanging the order of the digits is 165. If the digits are differed by 3, my dear friends, it is given differed here. It is not greater than or less than. It is just given the difference between them is 3. If the digits are differed by 3, find the original number. The options are 69, 96, A or B. That means it can be 69 or 96. The last option is none. Friends, it is a very interesting question. We know the sum and difference concept. So whenever any two-digit number is taken, you reverse the digits, you interchange the digits, you get a new number, and their difference is always divisible by 9 and their sum is always divisible by 11. And we know the expressions, how to write that expressions in an easy way, right? Now the most important thing is differed by 3. It is neither given greater than nor given less than, right? Now that's why I'm assuming something here. So I am assuming that let us suppose the number is AB. Let us suppose the number is AB. So A is higher in value and B is lesser in value. I am taking like that, for example. So I am assuming like that AB is the actual two-digit number, original two-digit number. So A is higher in value and B is lesser in value. So from the given it is given that the digits, they are differed by 3. That means, my dear friends, they are differed by 3. That means A minus B will be equal to 3. A minus B will be equal to 3. That means we can write like this. A is equal to B plus 3. A is equal to B plus 3, and this is equal to, this is the first equation that we got. From that, if the digits are differed by 3, since I have assumed that A is the bigger number, so I can take A minus B is equal to 3, A is equal to B plus 3. Now let us go. We know that the sum of a two-digit number, we know the sum concept, right? We know how to write the expression also. My dear friends, I am writing the expression here. 11 into A plus B is equal to 165. We learned in the previous sessions how to write this expression. So now, since A is equal to B plus 3, I am substituting here. B plus 3 plus B is equal to 165. And 11 into 2B plus 3 is equal to 165. And 2B plus 3 is equal to 165 divided by 11. And 2B plus 3 is equal to 15, because 11 15s are 165. So 2B is equal to 15 minus 3, 2B is equal to 12. 2B is equal to 12. So B is equal to 12 by 2, that is equal to how much? 6. So B is equal to 6. My dear friends, B is equal to 6. This is the first answer I got, first data I got. Now A is equal to, we know, B plus 3, and A is equal to 6 plus 3, and A is given as 9. And A is given as 9. Okay, so now the number will be, since the number is taken as AB, so AB will be A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 6. AB is equal to 96. When we have taken the assumption that A is greater in value and B is lesser in value. He did not give, we have taken. Suppose, my dear friends, if A is greater and B is lesser, the number will be 96. Or if the other way if you go, the number will be BA, right? Suppose if the number A is lesser in value and B is greater in value, suppose if you take like that, the number will be 69. If the other way around, if you go like this, if A is greater, the number will be 96. If B is greater, the number will be 69. So it can be anything. Why? Because it is given deferred. It is not given greater than or less than. It can be anything. So answer can be 69, can be 96. So the proper answer is, it can be A or B. It can be anything. It can be anything. So 69, why we are getting two answers for this? Because in the question it is not given greater than or less than, it is given differed by 3. That's why. Okay. So we already discussed when greater than is given what to do, when less than is given what to do. So you should be careful with the language. But here comes the next question. When a two-digit number is divided by, product of the two digits, the quotient is 2. If 27 is added to that number, the original number turns into a new number with the digits interchanged. Interchanged or reversed. The meaning you have to take it as same. Interchanged. Now find the number. Actually reverse is not a correct word, but in some exams they are giving like that. Actually interchanged should be the proper word, right? With the digits interchanged. Find the number. 63, 36, 39 and 93. Okay. Now clearly I am taking that number. Let us suppose that number, let us suppose the number be xy. I am taking that number as x and y. Xy is that number, x is a digit and y is a digit, and xy is the 2-digit number. Now he is saying that when a 2-digit number is divided by the product of the 2 digits, okay, so what would be the full value? I am dividing that value. What will be the full value of that number? 10x plus y. Okay, so this is the tens place number, x is in the tens place, 10x, and y is in the units place, that is y. So when it is divided by product of the 2 digits, that means xy, the quotient is 2. The quotient is 2. Now we can write this as 10x plus y is equal to 2xy, which is equation number 1. Which is equation number 1, my dear friends. Now the second point is, this is very, very important point we have to read. If 27 is added to the number, the original number turns into a new number with the digits interchange. My dear friends, when any number, when we add 27, when we add any numerical to other number, definitely its value will increase, right? So now there is an x value and you are increasing xy plus 27 and it is becoming yx. So obviously yx should be a greater number. If yx should be a greater number, the digit y should be also greater, right? If yx is a greater number, if you are increasing this number, right? You are increasing this number, then it is becoming yx. So obviously y should be a greater number. If y is a greater number, then x should be a lesser in the value. So in the resultant number, so y should be a greater number and x should be a lesser number. So here also y should be a greater number and x should be a lesser number. Then only it is possible. When we add something to a number and it is becoming the other number, obviously the resultant number should be greater in value. So here y should be greater in value. The digit value of y should be greater in value and x should be lesser in value. So here clearly I can say equation number 2 is, we know the difference is 27. So I can write this as 9 into y minus x is equal to 27. We know the full story of this, how to write this. Okay. Now y minus x is equal to 27 by 9. So y minus x is equal to 3. So here y is equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 3, right? This is the value. This is one of the equation we got. Now y is equal to x plus 3 and this is equation number 2, like this we can take. Now I am substituting 2 in 1. So I am writing here 10x plus x plus 3 is equal to 2 into x plus 3. Okay. So 11x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 6x. Okay. So 2x square plus 6x, right? 2x square plus 6x minus 11x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here if I take 2x as common, 2x into x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. I am taking 2x as common here. So clearly it comes like 2x plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So that means 2x plus 1 should be equal to 0 or x minus 3 should be equal to 0. Both can be equal to 0. Okay, fine. If 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, x value should be minus half. If x minus 3 should be equal to 0, then its value will be 3. See, x cannot be minus, it cannot be a fraction and moreover it is a minus number. So there is an absolute value, x cannot be minus half. So x can be 3 only. The only possible value for x is 3. And we already know y value we are getting. So y is equal to, I am writing here, y is equal to x plus 3. So y is equal to 3 plus 3, that is equal to y is equal to 6. So since the value is xy, so answer would be 36. Answer would be 36. And you can check, if you add 27 to 36, it will become 63. If you want, you can verify. If you want, you can verify and say 36 plus 27 will give you 63. Here is another question. The sum of digits of 2-digit number is 9. When the digits are interchanged, the new number is 9 less than 3 times of the original. Find the number. Find the number. Okay. Now the options are 72, 27, 93 and 39. Friends, there are two methods for solving this question. So with using that technique and without using the technique. First, because both will take the same time, that's why I want to explain this both the methods for you. First one is sum of the digits. Let us suppose the number be xy. Let us suppose the number be xy. The digit, sum of the digits is x plus y is equal to 9. X plus y is equal to 9. Now my dear friends, when the digits are interchanged, this is equation number 1. You can take something like this. This is equation number 1. If the digits, when the digits are interchanged, the new number is 9 less than 3 times of the original. That means you take 3 times of the original. That means 3 into 10x plus y. This is the full value. And you minus 9 from it. Then only you can get the numbers. Then only you can get the new number which is formed by the interchange of the digits. That means 10y plus x. Okay. Now 30x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 10y plus x. Now 30x minus x plus 3y minus 10y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. 29x minus 7y is equal to 9. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. My dear friends, if you subtract or add, I am adding it up. Okay, I am adding it up. So 1 plus 2, I am doing 1 plus 2 here, 1 plus 2 I am adding it up. So I am doing x plus y is equal to 9. So second one is 29x plus minus 7y is equal to 9. Okay, so what I am doing is I am multiplying this first equation with 7. So it becomes 7x plus 7y. Okay, is equal to 7 times 9 is equal to how much? 63. So I am adding it up. So 29 plus 7 becomes 36x. So this gets cancelled. Is equal to how much? 63 plus 9 is equal to 72. So x is equal to 72 by 36. So it becomes 2. X is equal to 2. If I substitute here, so here x plus y is equal to 9. So x plus y is equal to 9. So 2 plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to how much? That is equal to 9 minus 2, which is equal to 7. So the number xy is nothing but 27. Number xy is equal to 27. So 27 is the answer for this question. Option B. See, now I did not use any technique that difference is divisible by 9 or sum is divisible by 11. I did not use that kind of technique. Without using the technique, I just read the question and converted into equation and I solved it. Now, by using the technique also we can solve this question. Let us see how. Now friends, by using the technique, the difference, if you take a 2-digit number, interchange the digits, you get a new number. The difference between the original number and new number is always divisible by 9. That technique I am going to use with an extra data, that is that when the digits are interchanged, the new number is 9 less than the 3 digits, the original. My dear friends, here the difference, the new number, simple logic, the new number is 3 times original number minus 9, new number. So what is the difference? So what is the difference between the new number and the original, the new number and the old number? My dear friends, this is 3 times original minus 9 minus 1 time original number. You have to reduce. Am I right or not? That is the difference. This is the new number. If you want to get the difference, this is the new number and this is the original number. So the difference would be how much? 2 times. 2 times original number minus 9. 3 times original number minus 9 is the new number. If you want to get the difference between the new number and the old number, so 3 times my original number minus 9 is the new number, and one more time, because original number is also included, so minus the original number, you will get the actual difference. What is that? 2 times original number minus 9. We will use this data later. My dear friends, come here. Let us suppose the number is xy, x is the tens place number and y is the units place number. So x plus y, according to the data, it is given x plus y is equal to 9. I have taken it as equation number 1. Now my dear friends, clearly when the digits are interchanged, the new number is 9 less than 3 times. My dear friends, when the digits are interchanged, definitely xy will become yx. Here what I want to say is definitely y will be greater. definitely digit y will be greater. Why? Because see, take a simple 2-digit number 10. When you multiply it with 3, it becomes 30. Even you minus with 9 also, it is 21. So always the resultant number will be higher. You make a 2-digit number into 3. I have taken the least 2-digit number, I have multiplied with 3 and I have subtracted 9, then also we got 21. So if you take 99, you will get even more bigger number, right? So definitely when you are taking any 2-digit number, multiply it with 3, and minus 9. If you are getting again a 2-digit number, definitely that resultant 2-digit number will be higher, no doubt about it. So if that is higher, obviously the value of digit y will be greater and the value of digit x will be lesser. So I am taking here, since value of y is greater and x is less, so I am taking 9 into y minus x is equal to difference. What is the difference? 2 times of the original, 2 into 10x plus y minus 9. So this is nothing but 9y minus 9x is equal to 20x plus 2y minus 9. Okay, so 9y minus 9x minus 20x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so 9y minus 2y, that is 7y. So 20x minus 9x minus 29x plus 9 is equal to 0. So clearly if you take 9 that side, or 7y minus 29x that side, 9 is equal to 29x minus 7y. This is equation number 2. Already we did this and we know how to continue from here. So I am taking again, I am doing it again for your convenience. I am adding 1 and 2. I am multiplying 1 with 7. So that becomes 7x plus 7y is equal to 63, and I am subtracting 2 from it. That means 29x minus 7y is equal to what is that? 9. Okay, I am adding it up. So this cancels. 36x is equal to 72. So x is equal to 72 minus by 36, that is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, my dear friends. And if I substitute here, again I am repeating, don't worry. X plus y is equal to 9. So 2 plus y is equal to 9 from the data. So y is equal to 9 minus 2, that will give y is equal to 7. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7. Obviously the number will be 27. The number will be 27. So by using the logic, this is what I have used. This is the technique. Why? Because I know new number is 3 times original minus 9. So if the new number is 3 times original minus 9, definitely the difference will be 2 times original minus 9, because 1 time original anyway we will remove. So the difference will be 2 times original minus 9. That's what I have put here. 2 times original minus 9 will be the difference, because I have to write the difference here.